Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are enjoying your Sunday today, and to make it even more better, I'm back with a brand new video. So today I have something very interesting to show you all. See, a lot of people keep looking to buy some external portable SSDs, right? Either for your gaming PC or for your laptops or maybe even for your gaming consoles. So I have something very interesting from Crucial, guys. This is like a very fast external SSD that offers crazy data transfer rates of up to 1050 MB per second. You can consider this as the Flash of all SSDs. You know, Flash comic character from DC Comics. You can consider that level of performance from this SSD, guys. So this is from Crucial as mentioned before, and the model is Crucial X8 external portable SSD. But before we go there and proceed further in the video, I'd like to give a huge shout out to TPS Tech. Well, if you guys don't know, TPS Tech is a very popular online computer store that sells a lot of computer components and other computer accessories, peripherals and all that stuff, guys. You have to check out their website. I'll leave everything in the description box below. And also, I have a special discount coupon code exclusively for my subscribers on the channel. So using this, you can get some extra discount, guys. So make sure to check them out in the description box below. Keeping that aside, now let's get started with the unboxing. So here is my brand new portable external SSD from Crucial. It's a very compact and rugged drive, and the model is Crucial X8 Portable. The drive is available in different capacities up to 2 TB. The model we have right now is a 500 GB variant, and this is compatible with all the platforms like Windows, Mac OS, PlayStation and even Xbox. So it's a multi-platform drive with insane read speeds of up to 1050 MB per second. Now that is what I call fast. There's nothing much written in the box packing, so let's directly get started with the unboxing and then check out the product. By the way, guys, Crucial says that this X8 portable drive is almost 1.8 times faster than your regular SSDs and up to 7.5 times faster than a normal hard disk. Well, that is something I'll let you guys know after testing it in the video. So the drive comes packed like this on a tray. The drive actually looks quite compact. Along with that, you get a user manual and a USB Type-C to Type-A cable in the box. Well, that's it. Now let's have a look at the product. The X8 Portable External SSD by Crucial. Damn, guys, I have to say it looks very compact and stylish. This teeny thing packs 500 GB to up to 2 TB in the size of your palm and weighs only around 100 grams. You've got the Crucial branding here on the front, and I like that glossy finish. The drive has a two-tone finish and a very sleek design. The body is completely made out of anodized aluminum that not only feels great when you hold it but also efficiently dissipates heat. This thing is shock proof, vibration proof and can even withstand extreme temperatures. At the backside, you've just got some details regarding the product and has only one port to the left, which is a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port. Well, that's it. That was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me quickly connect it to my PC and show you how this thing performs. Alright guys, I'm back. First, let's check out how much storage is available on it out of the box. So here you go, our new Crucial X8 portable SSD, and as you can see, you get around like 465 GB of usable space. I've already been using the drive for my test projects and storing other files. It's a plug and play drive ready to be used out of the box and comes pre-formatted to exFAT format, so you can directly use it on Windows or Mac systems. And there was nothing on the drive except some product support website links. Okay, now let me tell you about the performance. Crucial says that this drive supports a max data transfer rates of around 1050 MB per second. Well, we're gonna put that to a test in this video. I've already installed Crystal Diskmark on my PC and ran some benchmarks to check out the max read and write speeds of the drive. And as you can see, here are the results. Whoa! Quite impressive actually. It's got a max sequential read speeds of around 420 MB per second and a write speeds of around 393 MB per second. Pretty decent numbers we're getting here. The Crucial X8 is a super fast external portable SSD that is almost 7.5 times faster than your regular hard disk. Keeping the benchmarks aside, let's put this thing to a real world test. We'll be copying files to and from the drive and see what kind of data transfer rates we'll be getting in day-to-day usage. As you can see, I've got a couple of folders with big 4K files on the inside. I'll be copying some of them from the drive to my PC and show you the transfer speeds. Oh my god, did you guys see that? It copied half of the file at 1 Gbps speed and then slowly came down and settled around 200 Mbps. Now that is a very fast SSD. We could copy an 8 GB 4K folder in just around 27 seconds. Now that's the kind of speed I'm talking about. So that was our test while copying files from the drive to my PC. Now what we'll do is, we'll do the same test in reverse. That means I'll be copying the same folder with 4K files, but this time from my PC to the SSD, and then show you the results. Holy smokes, on an average, we were getting a write speed of around 310 MB per second. It's performing very well with great transfer speeds. Crucial's X8 is a good portable external SSD that is compact, rugged, and offers high performance on the go. Available in different capacities starting from 500 GB to 2 TB and offers some really fast transfer speeds, especially for content creators who deal with a lot of editing and transferring of 4K videos from one PC to the other, or even for gamers who want to save or transfer huge game files. This drive can be a great choice for you. So that was my video on Crucial's X8 Portable External SSD. It's a good compact and rugged drive with great performance. Everything was fine, but the only thing I felt is the drive was a bit on the expensive side. 500 GB model itself costs around like 8,400 rupees. If only the price could be a bit lower, it would have been awesome. I'll leave a link to this in the description box below. You can check it out there. Well, that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in my next one.